Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make bubble waffles without using waffle maker and without using eggs. We are going to make two flavored waffles. One is vanilla one and another is chocolate. For the recipe, let's move towards the kitchen. Take a mixing bowl. In that add 1.5 cup all-purpose flour. Add 1 tablespoon baking powder, half tablespoon baking soda and pinch of salt to this, and combine all this well. Now add half cup powdered sugar to this. You may also add icing sugar and 1/4 cup melted butter. Mix this well. Don't get panic if it forms lumps as we are adding milk to this. Now gradually add lukewarm milk to this. Don't use cold milk. Use only lukewarm milk. Now mix it well and make a lump-free mixture. Now add half tablespoon vanilla essence and give it a mix. Our batter should be of pouring consistency. Here we are going to separate the batter into two equal portions as we are making two different flavors of waffles. One is vanilla and another is chocolate. So in the another half we are going to add half tablespoon of cocoa powder. And combine the cocoa powder in our batter. So here's our two flavored batters are ready. One is vanilla one and another is chocolate. Now heat up the appam pan or appe pan, whatever you says. Now pour the vanilla flavored batter all over the pan. And with the help of spoon, spread the batter all over the pan. Like the way I am doing so. Just do it really carefully. It may takes time but end result is just awesome. Our whole pan is covered with the batter. Now cook this on low flame for about 3 minutes. You may also place lid over this. After 3 minutes, with the help of spatula or anything, you may try to separate the edges of the pan and demold this. You can see the waffles. This is the vanilla flavored bubble waffle. Now cut it into half. And pour chocolate sauce in it. You may also pour honey or just skip this. These waffles taste better when it filled with chocolate sauce or anything. You may also serve this with ice creams, or you may also taste it likewise. Now sprinkle some almonds or dry fruits over this. And here's our vanilla flavored bubble wrapper is ready. And here's our another one, the chocolate flavored waffle. Grease the appam pan with some oil or butter. Then pour the mixture all over the pan as we have done earlier. We have to follow the same process. Spread the batter all over the pan and cover the pan totally. Then cook it for 3 minutes and our chocolate flavored bubble waffles are ready. Now cut it into half. As we have poured chocolate sauce in vanilla flavored bubble wrapper, in chocolate flavored waffles we are pouring honey. As I have mentioned earlier, you may skip this process and just enjoy the waffles as they are. Now cover it with the another half. And again pour some honey over the bubble waffles. And here's our chocolate waffle is ready.